Selenium for Beginners with Rex Jones II. Closed captioning is available for you. Switch CC on or off.
The code displayed in the Workbench is from a demo called How to Install Selenium and its required components. Notice the size of the font in the text editor and console. The default font and size for Eclipse is Consolas 10. Depending on your device, the font size can be very small. Therefore, we are going to enlarge the text editor and the console. We can increase the size by searching for font in the quick access text box, or go to Window, Preference, General, Appearance, then Color and Fonts. Under Basic, we navigate to Text Font, which contains the default for text editor and console. From this point, I will click Use System Font, then click Edit to increase the size of the font to 14 and click OK. Apply and close. The text editor and console are set to size 14. However, I want the console to be bigger than size 14. Navigate back to Font. Go to Debug, Console, Font. Select Edit, then change the size to 16. Click OK. Apply and close. The font size has been changed in the text editor and console. Now let's change the element colors. Go to the quick access text box, search for syntax coloring. Select Java, editor, syntax and coloring. Select Java again, then annotations. I like for my annotations to be green, so I would click color, go to the third column, fourth row, click OK. Next is methods. Select color, but before selecting color, click enable, then color. I am going to make the methods blue. 6 column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First row. Then click OK. The last Java element is strings. And the color will be red. First column, second row. Then click OK. Scroll down to comments. Then click the bold checkbox to make the multi-line and single line comments bold-face. Apply and close. Now we see the colors have been changed in the text editor. Personally, I think the text editor and console is more readable after enlarging the font size. Thank you for watching how to change the font size and colors in Eclipse.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.